Today is my birthday.
Start my birthday vlog. Today is only January 10, pero I'll be going to Negros Oriental. Uuwi kami, so I can celebrate my birthday with my family. My friends here, my second family, we will be spending time together tonight para advance birthday celebration na rin. So I'll take you with me and I hope you enjoy!
Welcome drink pa.
Wish ko maging content creator ako. Pumoto ko yung YouTube ko, yung TikTok ko, yung Facebook ko. Tapos ano yun. Okay.
Yay! Birthday! Happy!
Wait lang, naghahanap siya, Ben!
Ang gulo ng pamilyang to.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us wanted to grow.
Yaw?
Choose your family.
Studio na lang.
Missing the old days.
Ay, hindi. Pwede mag-retake. Oh, ikaw talaga. Naka-stress pala siya. Gusto ko ng black and white. So cute!
PM pa naman ang flight namin, pero yan ang aga namin because we're gonna meet one of my close friends, Marian.
Wow! Ah!
Hi, vlog.
Okay, 1 cappuccino, caramel macchiato, and 1 Spanish latte. Pay. Hindi yan, hindi. Akin yan. Tigilan mo ako. Thank you po. Exact amount lang po, sir. Thank you. Budol po namin siya. We did the best that we could. Nakagastos naman siya kahit pa paano ng 1,000 mahigit. Ang saya-saya. 7 PM pa po ang flight namin, pero at 4:42, andito na kami kasi ang gagawin ay magpapanding. Iyayabang ko muna sa inyo yung nails ko. Ating backstory. So dati pag nagta-travel kami, nagpapa-nails kami. Pero hindi yung ganire. Ang nails namin dati, alam mo, ganun lang.
Tapos patanggal. Dala ng glue.
Mighty pan. Kasi talaga hindi kami na-infection at kung ano-ano. Sobrang hilig na namin dati sa nails. Ang matindi pa dyan. Ganto kahaba. 29 pesos. So, isang ganun. Oh, wala na, diba? Fairness naman kay Buddy, improving na tayo na. Anyway, I activated my Maya card. So, pwede na po ako mag-receive ng mga birthday gift. Pakisend na po. Ayan. Ito po ang aking QR. Tinanong po ni Marian, meron na ba kayong gate number? Ito po, ang dami niya. Wala pa. Tinanong din siya, ikaw, wala TBA. Tapos sabi ni Marian,
Ano yung TPA?
anong sagot mo?
To be honest.
Bakit? Magkakaiba tayo ng school. Hindi ka para mag-decision sa akin. Ilang buwan mo sa Manila? Hindi mo man lang ako binisita.
Sa airport pa talaga nagkita.
Ang banding pala namin ay sa Negros pa din.
Thank you, Lord. We're now riding Ceres and Dico Airport. Yeah. I miss this.
brings me back to high school days.
Open my eyes, let my tears crystallize. I'm switching focus. It's tough letting go of the world that I know, but what I know is sometimes it tastes like gold, but it's rotten. Sometimes a gauge can look like a key. Sometimes it takes your whole life free falling to be free. To be free.
Hi! It's January 15. Fiesta po dito sa amin. And, ayan, naririnig niyo yung mga kanta. Ang saya! We're going to Big Boss house. Ito na po kami! First house! Kapitan!
At some point, I started getting perceived as a girl now. Yeah, it's not up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, waking up. I just wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. They're all memories.
This is bias. Hi loves! Today is my birthday. The birthday and we're going to Dumaguete. So, ganun pala talaga pag tumatanda ka na. O parang more on travel talaga. Gusto ko experiences. I'm gonna start doing that from this year onwards. Lahat ng birthdays, puro travel tayo. Kukunin na namin ang gears and everything. Magmamotor lang tayo on the way to Duma! It's been a while. Way back 2016, ganyang mga taon. So, 10 years ago, lagi namin kang ginagawa. Nagmamotor kami and then nag-travel to Dumaguete, Sambuangita, Bacong, somewhere. Dami naming times na nag-travel kami. Tapos nagmamotor-motor lang. So, this time around, I wanna recreate those moments. As we grow older talaga, we don't crave for parties, for ingay. Gusto na lang talaga travel experience to really live the life rather than, alam mo yun, mag-inom, mag-party, ganyan. I love my friends and wala din namang hate towards those who like to go have fun, mag-party, mag-part on their birthday, and that's on you. This is me just picking on my personal life. Ang gusto ko talaga ngayon mag-travel na, and I'm looking forward by December this year mag-international travel with Bamba.
Heart breathing, heart spinning down, down.
We're gonna go! So excited to go!
Weekend, but I see them now, now. Open my eyes, let my tears crystallize. I'm switching focus. It's tough letting go of the world that I know, but what I know is sometimes it tastes like gold, but it's rotten. Sometimes a gauge can look like a key.
Touchdown, we are in Dumaguete. Since before, lagi kaming kumakain sa isang store dito panda sa may Valencia. Nagbibenta sila ng turon, banana cue, meron silang ube turon. Tapos pinapartner namin ng buko juice. Ang sarap talaga. Pakita ko sa inyo later.
Still beginning to be free, to be free. Dreams broken.
Taste test. One thing I realized, kanina, pinag-uusapan namin, I always tend to rush on things. So ngayon, kung ba kumakain kami, na-realize ko ulit yun kasi paubos na yung akin. Tapos yung kanya, ayan pa rin siya, diba? Tapos natitrigger akong sabihan siya, tara na, bilis na. Tapos na-realize ko, no, this is not an emergency. Nakita kasi yung content creator, mag-asawa. Tapos sabi niya, sa sobrang gusto natin matapos na agad lahat ng bagay, feeling natin, lagi tayong hinahabol ng oras. And sometimes, that doesn't give us peace of mind. So, right now, it's my birthday. So, I'm trying to be as aware as I can be. Imagine, ubos ko na yung pagkain ko. Tapos gusto ko na siyang sabihan na, tara na, tara na. Partida, 2:00 pa lang. Still got a lot of time. Tapos siya ganito, chill. Na, na, I'm grateful all the time.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I
So cute. They
that he's on the back of the school bus.
Ako, hirap na hirap pwede naman ganito. Yan o, sobrang pangkat kasi natin eh. We're here. Mainit na ba? So cute. For everyone's idea, ayan po ang for adult. So max height level is 6 feet. I think bawal ako. Sorry. For kids, max height level is 5'4".
Kailangan daw po natin magtali.
Nay? Nay? Ay.
Hindi ko kaya. Magra-race ka pero ganyan po ang music. Wala, mali yung lyrics mo. Nahuli kita. Nahuli kita.
Ang daya mo kasi hindi ka nagpa-overtake lap.
We had the best experience sa go-kart. I will surely do it again. Halata naman na nag-enjoy yan siya. He's getting our power bank kasi this time naman, we're gonna go ATV. ATV ba tawag dun? Basta we're gonna go. Tayo kung okay lang ba daw mabasa. Sige.
Heart breathing, heart spinning, down, down.
Mababasa pala talaga. Let's go!
But I see them now.
Hello!
Open my eyes, let my tears crystallize. I'm switching focus. It's tough letting go of the world that I know, but what I know is sometimes it takes me more, but it's right. Sometimes a cage can look like a key. Sometimes it takes your whole life free falling to be free, to be free. Sometimes you learn to swim when you're sinking. Fumble your words to find.
After doing all the outdoor activities, meron silang nearby restaurant. So, you had fun?
Ikaw, kamusta? You have fun? Sucks lang. Kahit alam mo naman itong mga video no?
Nagutom nga siya.
Despite sa ano to ganina, init kistanan, basa ta, gipang singot ta. Pero nakuyusa ka pangutalan nimo, kailangan nimo matubag. Seryoso. Nanong gwapa ra gyapon ka.
13 years na po kami. Yan lang talagang bolero lang tayo.
Over the evening, hindi ko na video lahat, pero that's how I celebrated my birthday.
Sometimes it takes
I'm happy.